Hello, hello, and welcome. This is not an ordinary presentation of a car. I just want to welcome you. We are in Italy. And what do we have here? Italy's beauty. Now here we have on one spot, we have a Ferrari Pista, a Ferrari F8 Tributeo, a Ferrari 8112 Superfast, and the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Isn't it nice to look at them? Enjoy the view, because I think in the nearest future we won't see those kind of cars again, or not so many anymore because of the downsizing crap and all that stuff. So just to give you a quick view of these beauties with the SF90 here, we're going to start 1000 horsepower, combination of petrol engine and 4 electric engines. Amazing design, amazing technology, newest technology. This is like the new generation of Ferrari, right? And of course the color, Rosso Corsa, the classic Ferrari color. Beside it is the Ferrari 812 Superfast. Sorry, the wrong spelled, Superfast. In this color, grigio, very nice color for the car. 12-cylinder, 800 horsepower. Not a turbo, not a compressor, nothing. It's a air-aspired engine, 6.5 liter V12. Amazing car, looks gorgeous. Right beside it, we got the F8 Tributeo, 8-cylinder turbo, same as SF90 Stradale, and modern design. Actually, will also end soon, because Ferrari announced to bring the 296 GTB with a 6-cylinder. So the 8-cylinder here in the F8 Tributeo is the last 8-cylinder for the, how can I say, middle-class Ferrari. And beside it, we have the latest generation of the 488, in this case the 488 Pista. This one is a V8, same, 721 horsepower, actually 721 horsepower in the Pista. F8 Tributeo is the same, but it's the most aggressive looking one, with all the how can I say, the holes, and where the air can goes through, the big front grille, where the radiators are behind it and everything. So the car looks most aggressive from all these four, but my personal taste would be, I think, 812 Superfast or the Pista, I think. So just a quick overview. So we 721 horsepower, 721 horsepower, 800 horsepower, and 1000 horsepower. So this was a little trip to Italy. We have some more visitors from Italy here, but we're gonna show them later to you. So yeah, stay tuned and see you on the next episode.